Hey guys, this is Ryan with Agri Drones. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use boundary mapping with the drone itself as your plotter. So, like usual, we're going to tap on auto and hit your arrow on the right side of the screen, tap it over, go into fields, and create a new field here. Name your field. Flat field, at least for this purpose here. There's no wires here. AB mode operation, no. We're just gonna leave it as citrus. There is no HD map. Hit next. At the mode, at the top right here, you wanna go to UAV. We will talk about the survey tool in another video next. So hit UAV, and you're gonna be flying the drone itself, very similar to what you used to on some other brands. This is going to allow you to fly the drone exactly to where you want to be as precise as you want, or if using hand draw is not, you're not using hand drawn over not so updated maps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the drone off, flip into manual first. Take the drone off, we're gonna fly it to our starting point for our edge. At the bottom right here, you see it looks like a little navigation icon. That is gonna be your drone. You're gonna tap that every time that you want to drop a point. Take note here, you do not need to stop every single time that you're gonna put a point down. So we're going to start, I'm gonna show you guys a couple times. We will fly the drone, stop each time that we put a point down, and then for the back half, we're going to drop a point as we're flying. So we'll show you that here. So I'm heading out there, I'm eyeballing my start point to begin with. I'm gonna bring up my camera here, go and aim down. Let's just say this is exactly where I wanna start. So I'm going to hit the arrow at the bottom right, recorded boundary point. I'm going to turn the drone, look up. Let's say I want to fly down this line, or head that way. Let's say we want to drop a point right close to this, this sign here. Fly almost right on top of it. So it's hard for me to see visually because there's vehicles blocking the sign itself, but I can see with the camera, okay, I'm on top of the sign. Drop our point. You're gonna do the rest of this by flying and dropping points at the same time here. So let's see, I want to put one, let's say I'm flying, drop a point there, still flying, drop a point, fly to the back here, I'm going to stop here because this is a corner, drop a point, turn. Oh, I turned a little too much. Get back on track here. Fly down this way. We'll stop at this corner again. So we'll stop here. Drop your point. We're going to put one more over here by these poles. I'm going to look down so I know exactly where I'm going to drop this point. Let go of the stick slowly. Scoot up a little bit more to this edge here. And drop my point. So at this point, we can say that everything has been plotted. So I'm going to bring the drone back and then show you what it looks like on the big map. All right, so now that we're landed, tap on our map here. You can see all of our points that we added, even the ones that we were doing as we flew through it. Another thing to take note here is you wouldn't actually have to drop points every time if you don't want to. You've seen some videos in the past where we've flown a drone and just flew it around the field and didn't even drop a point. You can also do that extremely easily by just dropping the point, by just flying the drone. You can see the magenta line that it leaves its flight path, and then you can come back with your hand drawn and drop points around if you wish. Another thing to keep in mind, or to take note of here, so this point here, you can see we were definitely over the trees. So I'm going to tap on it, hit fine tuning, and we're going to bump it back. Go to the left. We're just trying to line this up a little bit more where it's not completely over the trees. All right. So here's a new point. Another thing is that you can see that I'm now in hand draw mode here. Let's say we were still in UAV. You can still switch to hand drawn and still zoom in and drop more points if you wanted to. Let's say we want to drop a point over here, you can drop it there and see it edited that. You can also do the same thing with the survey tool. All right, if you guys have any other questions after that, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.